What happens when you pack over 700 horsepower into a family SUV? You get the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat, part muscle car, part full-size hauler, and 100% ridiculous in the best way possible. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we cover the machines that blur the lines between power and practicality. Let's dive into this wild beast of a Durango. Design. The 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat looks as aggressive as it drives. Dodge gave it a slightly refreshed front fascia with larger air intakes, a more sculpted hood, and signature LED lighting. It rides on 20-inch forged wheels wrapped in performance rubber, and subtle badging lets everyone know this isn't your average SUV. Inside, it's just as bold. Leather and suede sport seats, red stitching, and carbon fiber trim set the tone. Performance. Under the hood? Still the legendary 6.2L supercharged Hemi V8, now making 720 horsepower and 645 lb-ft of torque. Yes, in a 3-row SUV. Launching from 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds, the Durango SRT Hellcat doesn't just move, it roars. All-wheel drive comes standard, and the upgraded suspension and Brembo brakes help keep that power planted and under control, mostly. Features and technology. Despite the madness, it's still a functional SUV. The 2026 model includes a larger 12.3-inch infotainment screen running Uconnect 6, with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Performance Pages suite that tracks everything from G-forces to lap times. You also get adaptive cruise control, a Harman Kardon sound system, and available rear seat entertainment for keeping the crew happy while you unleash chaos up front. Conclusion. So, is the 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat the most fun you can have in a family vehicle? Probably. It's absurd, it's over the top, and somehow, it still works. But what do you think? Is this power-packed SUV worth the hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the review, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more high-octane insights on today's wildest rides. Thanks for watching, and keep it fast, but safe.